Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly pound dollar, even though we have been going down pretty much all month, I still think that is a correction, and I still think this is going to end up growing into an uptrend, probably making like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either way, I think it's going to take out these highs and end up looking something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can see what I think is almost a perfect uptrend right here. I think that's a 1. Still think this is an irregular ABC. Now, there's no signs of this wave C being over yet, but if we can identify the end of this trend for the wave C, that should be the end of a wave 2, the beginning of a wave 3, 4, and wave 5, just like what I was showing on the longer time frames. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. Whoops, the daily. So on the daily time frame, as you can see, we are definitely trending down. Even though this move up was a little bit strong, it still has not taken out any structure. It's still making lower highs. I still think it's more likely to go down to maybe the 78 or maybe the 61 or the 100. Either way, it doesn't really matter which level I think it's going to turn at, because I'll be able to recognize when it does turn with a break of structure to the upside and a nice entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we've been making lower highs basically the whole way down. There's definitely no reason yet to think this trend is over. Really, this looks like 3 waves up right here. So I am definitely still looking for shorts, and I'm definitely still only going to go short at the end of 3-way pullbacks on these sort of time frames. So unless price goes way up here and takes out this most recent swing, I am definitely still only looking for shorts in a downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, really all I care about on these sort of time frames is looking for shorts at the end of A, B, C patterns. That was a 3-way pullback right to 78%. Definitely didn't look too convincing at the time, especially with this big move up, but as you can see, that move up did make 3 waves also. So we had a correction to this move. It looks like a 1, probably a 2, and this is probably going to be a 3, 4, and 5. But looking at the longer time frames, I really wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on stretching out. So like I said, I am definitely still only looking for shorts unless price goes up and takes out this high, and I'm only going to go short at the end of any of these ABC pullbacks that I may see along the way. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.